You are losing 202 hours a year doing something a machine should be doing for you. That's 25 full working days, 5 weeks gone every year. And you don't even notice because it's bleeding out of your life 20 seconds at a time. I'm going to prove it to you right now, live, on camera, with a stopwatch. And what I'm showing you today is the slow version. Inside the Accelerator program, I teach an even faster method that most people never discover on their own. But we'll get to that. Stay to the end. I've got something that's going to cut your learning curve in half. Let's go. Here's what most professionals do every single day. They open a form, an email, a template, a note, a message, and they type the same words, the same phrases, the same paragraphs for the 400th time. Nobody told them to stop. Nobody showed them the alternative, so they just keep doing it day after day, year after year. Bleeding time they'll never get back. I spent 20 years in emergency medicine and helicopter flight medicine. In that world, 20 seconds is the difference between somebody living and somebody dying. You learn to treat every second like it matters, because it does. When I left medicine and started building systems for my own business, I looked at how most professionals work, and I saw the same thing I used to see in trauma bays. Waste, massive, invisible, compounding waste, not blood, time. So I built a system to stop the bleeding. Here's the test. One form, two methods, side by side, stopwatch running on both. First, the way you're doing it right now. 25 seconds, and that felt fast because I type well. Most people are slower. Now watch the same form with the TimeLevr system. 5 seconds, same form, same output, same accuracy, 80% less time. 20 seconds saved, one form, one time. And like I said, this is the basic version. What I'm showing you here is level 1. Inside the Accelerator program, I reveal a method that makes even this look slow. We'll come back to that. First, let me show you what those 20 seconds are actually costing you. This is where it gets uncomfortable. Stay with me. Let's say you do this twice a day. Just twice. That's conservative. That's 40 seconds saved per day. At the end of a month, that's 20 minutes. At the end of a year, that's 4 hours. You'd shrug at that. Most people do. 20 seconds, who cares? So let's get honest about how you actually work. Scale it to 10 repetitive tasks per day: emails, addresses, responses, templates, status updates. Things you've typed so many times, your fingers do it on autopilot. That's 100 minutes per month, over 20 hours per year, 2.5 working days. Now you're paying attention. This is the real scale of the problem. But here's the real number, the one that should make you put down whatever you're doing and watch the rest of this video. A working professional doing documentation, clinical notes, client communication, project updates, repetitive entries across CRMs, EHRs, email, and messaging platforms hits at least 100 repetitive text tasks per day. At least 100 tasks per day. 33 minutes saved daily, 16 hours, 40 minutes saved per month, 202 hours saved per year. That's 25 full working days, 5 working weeks over a month of your life, every single year. And you're spending all of it retyping things you've already typed 1,000 times. Now let's talk about what those hours are actually worth. Because time isn't free. You trade it for money, whether you admit it or not. At $150 an hour, which is conservative for a physician, a consultant, an executive, or anyone billing for expertise, 202 hours equals $30,000 in recovered time value per year. At $300 an hour, which is what many specialists and senior consultants bill, that's over $60,000. You are currently lighting $60,000 on fire every year, 20 seconds at a time. And the tool that stops it costs less than a dinner for two. That's not productivity advice. That's an arbitrage opportunity hiding in plain sight. This is what I mean when I say leverage. This word gets thrown around by people who've never built anything. Let me tell you what it actually means. Leverage is a system that turns 25 seconds into 5 seconds, multiplied across every repetitive action in your day, compounding across every week, every month, every year of your career. It's not working harder. It's not grinding longer. It's eliminating the waste that's been invisible to you because you've been doing it so long it feels normal. It's not normal. It's expensive, and it's optional. I built the TimeLevr system to make it optional for you. Not theory, not a motivational framework, a step-by-step system you can implement this week and start recovering hours immediately. The same system I used to replace half my working day when I transitioned out of medicine. The same system that gave me time to build a business, create content, and stop trading every hour I have for every dollar I earn. Now here's what I promised you. What I showed you today, the text expansion demo, the 5-second form completion, that's the entry point. That's the foundation. And it will save you 202 hours a year by itself. But inside the TimeLevr Accelerator Program, I teach a faster method that goes beyond what I showed you here. A method that stacks on top of text expansion and compounds the time savings even further. I'm not going to reveal it in this video. You'll have to see it inside the program. Here's what I will tell you. The entire accelerator takes less than 20 minutes to complete. Not 20 hours, not a weekend course, not a 6-week boot camp, 20 minutes. You will learn the system, set it up, and start generating return on your investment the same day. Day 1, not someday, today. And right now, I'm offering 50% off. Use the code in the description at checkout. Link is right below this video. 20 minutes to learn it. Day 1 to start earning time back. 2 hours per year recovered. Up to $60,000 in time value returned to you annually. The math is done. The demo is done. The only question left is whether you're going to keep retyping the same email for the 401st time or go get your time back. Link is in the description right below this video. Go get your time back. I will see you inside the program.